good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1,159, down 3.6 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 139 billion, 24-hour volume 11.71 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame. So we were watching a 1, 2, 3, 4, but this wave 4 pullback is too steep. As you can see, it's already broken into the wave 1. So it's invalidated. It can't be possible here. So what we may be looking at, just as we did with our first wave up, is that we're going through a 1, 2, 1, 2. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2. Once again, we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2. Still within that wave 3. Unless we come down and we break this wave 1 high, we come down and we break these lows, it would invalidate that structure. But what we could be looking at is with potential 1, 2, 1, 2. Still looking for that wave 3 within the larger wave 3. I'm just going to move all of this over just to kind of match up with the charts here. Because as I've been mentioning, if we're looking at this as a wave 1, then your wave 3 target, bottom of wave 1 to the top, down to the bottom of the wave 2. The 1.618, it's coming all the way in at about 1561. So we're looking at a potential, let me move this down. Our sub waves, this was your wave 1, your wave 2 pullback, and potentially looking at that wave 3. So we can be going through a 1, 2, 1, 2, still looking to fulfill that wave 3. Unless we come down and we start to break these lows, we invalidate that structure. But we have been watching this ascending triangle, and as you can see for Ethereum, it looks like it's trying to make its way back down to that level of support. Levels of support and resistance are like magnets for the price. As you can see right here, came right up to that resistance once again. And now we have an ascending support line, so you had a lot of support right here. So it's like a magnet. Most likely what you'll see is price will come back to that ascending support line. And then potentially you come down and you could see a beautiful bounce to the upside here, as this is a bullish reversal pattern. But if Ethereum comes down, we lose the support, we backtest it as resistance, we come down, we lose these lows, then we could see that continuation to the downside. So potentially this could be your bottom as a wave 5. I don't think it's the higher likelihood. There is an alternative wave count that I've been looking at that I'll show you here on the daily, where we've come down just as I showed you guys with Bitcoin. Impulsive wave 1, this was your corrective wave 2. This was your large wave 3. Right now we're going through a corrective wave 4, which could top out here, but potentially could see that nice push up to 1649. This level of resistance now flipped as this level of support now flipped as resistance for a wave 4 pullback, and put in that final wave 5 that could take Ethereum down, like 500 to about 600. This level of support, you can see support resistance here, support resistance here, support, a little bit of resistance in this area as well. So that's the potentially what we could be looking at, the higher likelihood. But we could definitely see a large breakout to the upside first, where Ethereum breaks out of this ascending triangle. We see a beautiful push up to these levels of resistance. If we come down, we lose the support of the ascending triangle. You can have a measurement to the downside, measurement of the body, ticket to your point of breakout, and that would take you down to this support range at about 800 for ETH. So potentially we're putting in a 1, 2, 1, 2 pullback, just as we did with our wave 1. Still looking for that wave 3 to the upside. That isn't invalidated until we come down and we lose about 1090. We come down and we lose these lows. We lose the wave 2 low. Then we're seeing that continuation to the downside. But beautiful reversal pattern forming. We're about to have our third point of contact, which is what you want to see. So if we can see a nice bounce, we could potentially see a breakout to the upside. Big shout out to the Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Recently made some juicy profits on Matic, 12.46%, 12% profit on our last 2 trades, and locked in some juicy profits on Ethereum for a 14% move from the entry. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, sign up through the Discord. If you want to trade with me, $4,500 in bonuses on Bybit. That's my favorite exchange for trading. And I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.